This Solar P1 restoration is now complete. As you can see, I put some fresh tires on, all brand new. Front and the back, I put new brake pads in, front and back. Also, I did a nice fresh clean matte black paint. I think it goes nice on this scooter. Also, I've replaced the mud guard and I put a bit of carbon fiber. Makes the scooter stand out a little bit more. I decided to keep the gold locking lever and change the little bars up the back to black. Coming up, as you can see, I also changed the handlebar because I don't like the standard handlebars what these Solar electric scooter comes with. I put a brand new display on, so you got literally 2 keys. Yeah, so now this scooter is it was fully working before. All I did was the cosmetic on it because it was a bit scratched and rusty, but it was fully working. And yeah, so this is what it looks like from the front. So if you want to buy this scooter, just drop me a message in the inbox or comment below saying buy now, and you can purchase the scooter from me.